Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing really well. As you can see, I've got a special guest here because I'm in London and I thought we would do a collaboration together. So TANVI is based in London. She's a YouTuber. She's a model, a presenter.
I'm not a model. I'm not a model.
She's basically a social media extraordinaire.
Oh, thanks.
And she's just absolutely killing it in the social media space. And obviously, as you couldn't tell by her accent, she's British. So we thought that it might be a good idea to do a challenge video when I give her some accents or some words, and then she has to say them in the Australian accent. But
we'll see how that goes.
Yeah, we'll see how that
terrible at accents.
Yeah, so I thought we'd just get started. I will also leave TANVI's details in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out and give her a follow. She's on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Yeah. So check that out. Okay, so I've got some Australian words or slang words which I'm gonna say, and you're gonna have to guess what they mean.
Okay. Oh god.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, we've done this before as well, and it's been horrible.
Yeah, I feel like I won't remember though.
Yeah.
So let's see.
I tried to go for different ones so we don't remember. Okay, cool. So the first one I've got is a cold one.
A cold one? Like a cold drink.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Really?
A
Like
cold
a,
one.
like a beer?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I thought that would have been
good.
a trick one.
No, that's a good one. You got
Okay.
that right. Arvo.
Arvo?
Yeah.
Not like avocado.
No.
Like avo on toast.
No, Arvo. A-R-V-O.
Arvo, can you... Oh,
If I use it in a sentence,
Is it
you're
really
gonna
good?
give it away.
Arvo.
Yeah.
Is it a noun? Is it a thing?
No, it's not a thing.
Oh, it's just like a verb.
It's also not a verb.
Okay, so it's like a...
No, it's getting too, this is too English.
What? Arvo.
Arvo.
Is it like...
Okay, I'll use it in a sentence.
Okay.
It's actually just gonna give it away, but I'll catch you in the Arvo.
Afternoon.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'll catch you in the Arvo.
Yeah. Oh, I can't
I'm
believe you
gonna
didn't
start
know
using that one.
I didn't know you didn't know that one.
No.
Okay. Next one is Barbie.
How do you spell that?
B-A-R-B-I-E. Not the Barbie doll.
Barbie doll.
No, Barbie.
Barbie.
I think
Is it like
you
what you
would
call
do.
like your dad?
No.
Oh, barbecue.
Yeah.
Okay, do you know why I know that? Because every time I hear Australian films, they're like, let's have some shrimps on the Barbie.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I knew that one.
I thought you would be, I thought you would get that one quicker.
Yeah.
But obviously
Oh,
not.
sorry.
Bloody oath.
Bloody oath.
Bloody oath.
Oath. Like, oh my god.
Yeah.
Darn it.
Yeah. Like, oh, wait, how do I,
Bloody oath?
Yeah, it's like you're kind of surprised.
Oh, like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
I'm
I hope this
gobsmacked.
is right, actually. Okay, fair dinkum.
Sorry?
Fair dinkum.
That is not English.
What do you mean?
Fed income?
Fair dinkum.
Oh, like fed income.
Fed income, no. Fair
Like the police's
no,
salary.
as in fair dinkum.
Fair dinkum?
Yeah.
Whoa, I'm not gonna get this. Fair dinkum. Is it like fair enough?
Yeah, kinda.
Is it?
Kinda,
Like
yeah.
fair dues.
What? Fair dues? What's a fair dues?
Like fair enough, fair dues.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Fair income's basically like fair income.
Do you think that sounds normal?
I think that
Just
sounds
tell me,
normal.
do you think that's normal?
I mean,
do people actually say that out loud?
yeah, they do. I mean, I wouldn't say it's very bogan.
What's bogan?
Oh, it's like very Australian.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyways.
Fed income.
Fair income. What's a bottle-o?
A bottle.
No, you're close.
I feel like you add O on the end of everything. It's like bottle-o, ovo.
Yeah, we kind of do actually. Yeah.
Bottle-o.
Yeah. What do you think bottle-o is?
I would have just said like a bottle, like a water bottle.
No, it's a bottle shop.
You have a shop just for bottles?
For alcohol. Oh, as in an alcohol shop.
Like a corner shop.
But our corner shops don't usually have alcohol. I mean, some do, but we have a dedicated shop just for alcohol.
Oh my god. Oh, we don't really have that, I think. We have bars.
Okay, but
But not a bar. No, but you know what a bar
we
is.
have
Like a
bars
club, a
too.
bar.
Yeah.
But we don't have like a dedicated. We have like a wine bar, like a wine shop.
Yeah, but there's also like...
Yeah, we don't have that.
Interesting.
Ours are just corner shops, because like
Okay.
they just give it to like 15-year-olds out here.
Really?
I didn't say that.
I didn't... Oh, wow. Okay. What about a brolly?
Oh, we have that here, an umbrella.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
we say that here.
That was easy.
BROLLY.
CHOCK-A-BLOCK.
CHOCK-A-BLOCK, like chocolate, a bar of chocolate. CHOCK-A-BLOCK.
CHOCK-A-BLOCK.
Oh, is it when like traffic jam?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like when there's standstill traffic.
It's not
CHOCK-A-BLOCK.
specifically related to traffic though.
Oh, ours is. We say that.
Like
it's CHOCK-A-BLOCK.
your life could be CHOCK-A-BLOCK too.
Oh my god.
Yeah, as in my day has just been so CHOCK-A-BLOCK.
No way. I love that. I'm gonna say
it's
that.
like so
just
busy.
Hectic.
Yeah,
like
hectic.
back to back.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, my life is CHOCK-A-BLOCK.
You don't say it like that though. My life is CHOCK-A-BLOCK.
I love it. I'm gonna start saying that.
Okay, what about... Oh, that's an easy one. I'm gonna say that one. Devo.
You told me this one. I don't remember. Development.
No.
Diwali.
No. I'm so Devo today.
Oh, devastated.
Yeah, devastated.
Devo. Did you see the O's?
Yeah,
There's a common
yeah.
theme here.
I think you know that one as well. Iffy.
I'll be back in an iffy. Like
No, that's Jiffy.
Oh.
That's a Jiffy.
Iffy, like if.
Yeah, like I'm a bit iffy on this one.
Oh, we have that.
Oh, you've
like
got
you're unsure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay,
iffy.
that's the same
Yeah.
then. Okay.
Iffy.
Whoop whoop.
That's just when you say like well done, like whoop whoop.
No.
Do you know what I mean? When
Yeah.
you're like congratulations, whoop whoop.
We don't say that. What do you mean?
Like you know when you text someone and you're like whoop whoop.
Oh, that's like whoop whoop. Oh, like that. No, this is an actual
Thing.
thing.
Say it again.
Whoop whoop.
How is it not? Whoop whoop. I can't stop.
WHOOP. It's the same, right? Whoop whoop.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Is it? Oh my god, I have no idea.
Okay, basically it's when someone lives really far away. So like for me to come see you, you live in Whoop Whoop.
No
You're
way.
like so far away that I can't even...
I live in Whoop Whoop.
Yeah, you live in Whoop Whoop. Because it's just so hard to get to where you live. Or somewhere far. Okay.
That is the most ridiculous one I've heard.
What about Chakasiki? I think you know that one.
Chakasiki, like
Yeah.
throw up.
Oh, you guys don't know what Chakasiki is.
Chakasiki.
Chakasiki.
Is it something to do with being ill?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's like when you're at work and someone's
Yeah.
like pulasiki. We say pulasiki.
Oh, you say Pulasiki. Okay, yeah, we say Chakasiki.
That's so funny.
Okay, I think I'm going to leave it at that for you
That
trying to guess.
section,
Yeah,
okay.
okay, so we'll move on to the next part. So I want to give you a chance to give we'll say your best Australian accent.
Oh my god.
So, I mean, you can choose whatever you want to say.
Okay. I feel like I'll only be able to do it if you say it and
If
I
I
repeat
say
you.
Okay,
I can try.
okay. No, but then that'll give it away. You'll actually like copy it.
Yeah, I
completely
will.
then.
Yes. Okay, let me try on my own. Maybe give me something to say.
Why don't you say...
Good day, mate.
Well, that's very like typical though.
Okay, today I'm with my mate and we are filming YouTube videos.
No, that is bad. Maybe say it like, be a bit more like rough and like rigid. Or just say what I just said. Be a bit more rough and rigid.
Be a bit more rough and rigid.
No,
A
that's...
bottle of water.
Yeah, water.
Water.
Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna get you to
I'm really
pronounce.
sorry if I offended anyone just then.
I think you're doing well.
I'm trying.
Yeah,
I'm actually
just
really trying.
Yeah. Okay. So we're going to move on to the next part where we're going to get Tanvi to pronounce these words because these words are commonly mispronounced by tourists. So the first one is, I'll show it to you.
Melbourne.
No. Try again.
Melbourne. I said the same thing. Melbourne.
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 Say it faster.
Melbourne.
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 Yeah. Melbourne.
So it's not Melbourne.
No.
Melbourne.
Like Mel and bun.
Melbourne.
No. Okay. What about this one?
Uluru.
Uluru?
Uluru.
Huh?
Uluru.
Uluru. Do you know what it is?
No.
Do you know the big rock in Sydney? In the middle of... Oh, not in Sydney. In the middle of Australia. There's a really big rock. It's called Uluru.
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 Ah, Uluru.
Yeah.
I thought it was Uluru.
Uluru. Oh, yeah, I can see how. Okay. What about this one?
I only know this because we've spoken
So
about it.
tell everyone what you thought it was before.
Bondi Beach.
Bondi Beach. Yeah.
Bondi. But I know it's not.
What is it?
Bondi.
Yeah, it's Bondi.
Got my little Bondi sands
Yeah.
in the corner.
Bondi, yeah.
Bondi.
What about this one?
Brisbane.
No.
I feel like I sounded Australian when I said that.
Brisbane.
Brisbane.
That's so far from
What?
Australia.
Brisbane? Brisbane?
Yeah,
Melbourne.
Brisbane.
Okay,
Melbourne.
Melbourne.
So you gotta like just cut it and...
Brisbane.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you've already done water. But
Water. I say water.
Water. Water. And
get the London look.
Yeah. Hey, I was gonna say that for your video. Okay, what about the last one?
Aluminium.
Oh yeah, we say it the same.
Americans say aluminum.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna say that.
No, aluminium.
Oh, okay.
But I think Australia and England are quite close in a lot of things.
Yeah, yeah.
Like we drive on the same side.
Yeah, we do. What else is the same? I think.
Like I just think there's historically things that are quite similar. So we say aluminium.
Okay, so that is everything that I wanted you to go through.
Okay, I think I did really well.
Well, we'll leave it up to the audience what they think. So drop down below a comment and let us know how you think TANVI went. Give her a score maybe out of 10.
10. Yeah. Rate me out of 10.
What do you think? How do you think?
I think I'm a solid 7.
Solid 7.
I said I'm as if I'm rating myself. I think I did 7 out of 10 in this video.
I would say maybe a 5.
Savage. Wait till we get to mine. I'm better than 5 is like average. I think
But
I'm slightly above
I had
average.
told you like a few.
Yeah, we'd had a conversation.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay,
Yeah.
but I think 6 then.
6.
Meet in the middle. Yeah.
Okay. All right. 6. Alrighty, guys. I think we're gonna leave this
Alrighty.
video here.
Alrighty.
Alrighty. As mentioned, make sure you check out TANVI's social medias down below: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and we are going to now do a video on your channel.
Yeah, make sure you check that out as well, guys, because we're going to be doing London accent challenge. So.
London.
Oh no, it's not going to go well.
I'm so excited for this.
Okay.
See you guys.
Bye.